Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of GEMINI Therapeutics INC. As you can see, there is a sharp jump in the last trading session of 23%, and on top of that, you have 3% additional move in the after hour session. And for the last trading session, the stock was completely flat, and after it made a gap up opening, it sustains throughout the day. So if you're looking at the last 5 days or last 1 month chart, this one day move looks very prominent over here. More so over, you can see the average volume is 120,000. Okay, but the last trading session volume was so high that it puts the stock onto the list of stocks where it was traded heavily. And the fun fact here is we don't know whether it is from the old consensus or do you have a new one, but 19.67 is the estimate target we have here, right? But forget about the target, but what is looking more visible is the volume. So let's see we have anything or not over here to define this move, or let's go to the news section and let's see if you have anything else over there which can define this move. So yeah, here we are. I think a brokerage report we have here. Yeah, this is a 15. So GEMINI Therapeutics gains as HC Wainwright sees over. So I think this is not accessible, but anyways, as what I was saying was GEMINI gains as HC Wainwright sees over 100% upside for 800% upside for this stock. So there are some big gains they are expecting, and this is another press release 1 hour ago. So okay. So as you can see, trade volume soared more than 2000%, seemingly based on buy ratings and ambitious price targets by analysts. And the consensus was reached on Wednesday when H.C. Wainwright. Uh, so here we are. When H.C. Wainwright issued a buy rating a day after Zacks Investment Research shifted its rating from hold to buy, and price target were as high as $20. So it was this latest 19 is not a old one. And why they are saying that? So clinical trial results from phase 2A study has been encouraging in terms of both efficacy and patient tolerance. So there are some updates and there are some products in the pipeline, and you will see based on future prospect, some analysts are extremely bullish. It's not by a margin, but extremely bullish. So if you are looking at the chart right now, the overall chart looks quite dismal. There is no denial in that fact because it has moved from the highs of $19 to as low as 2.4. So if you are looking at the trend right now, what you can see is something like this, right? So this is your trend in between which the stock is trading. What you must be looking at is your support level or the stop loss, which is very important for you. So right now you have two levels to look at: 2.73 as your immediate support and 2.2 as your stop loss. Don't go below these two levels at any condition. It doesn't matter how big or how risky or how good you are thinking the stock could probably be. Now, for the time being, if you are looking at the trend, you have 4.35 and 5.4 are your two prominent highs that, if the stock reached, may face a resistance because it is a trend resistance. And only if the stock sustains after 5.5, it will be called as a breakout. And what the analysts are saying, okay, if you are going by analyst, what they are saying is a complete reversal in the trend. because 19 or $20 worth of target will push the price towards its previous high or the recent high that it has made uh, in the beginning of calendar year 2021, because these are your targets. So 12.83, and you can look at the highs. So high is in between 18.6 and 18.7, and they're talking about the 20, which means they are expecting a complete trend reversal. So we have to see, but focus on the levels. Okay, promising results, and somebody is very hopeful behind something or on the prospect of the company, that's fine, but we have to focus on price action, and we have to see how the stock is moving right now. So obviously there are very big targets in this particular stock, but what we need to do here is we need to be very much specific about the price action, and we have to observe how the price is moving. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.